This video is going to be on how to patch cracks that you have in your driveway or in your backyard on the concrete. I'm going to be doing a review of the concrete patching compound Quikrete. Most of these are the same. They are acrylic or vinyl patching, and mostly what you need to do is clean the crack, make sure your crack is really clean, use a wire brush and a broom, get all the dirt out of there, and then you will be using items like a putty knife or a trowel, and you'll mix this stuff up and you will put it into the crack. It should dry in anywhere from 20 minutes to about 3 hours, and then it might take up to 3 days for it to completely dry. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking in the video. I'm going to get everything set up. I'm going to show you how I apply this material like you see over here with these two items, and then I'll show you the final result. Again, this is not concrete. You really can't put concrete into cracks, especially small hairline cracks. You need to use a patching material. You can buy this stuff in a caulking type tube. A caulking gun will apply it, or this is already pre-mixed, or you can buy some material where you mix it yourself, but this is the easiest way to do it. So you get the idea that you're really just applying this stuff in the crack, and you really don't want to build it up too much without it drying, and after it dries you can add another layer if you need to. So that's how you fix cracks in your driveway or in the concrete. If you like my videos, do a thumbs up, subscribe, a like. And feel free to link this to anybody's website that has home repair. That's the review for Quikrete. There you see the first coat. It applies mostly like spackle, like compound, wallboard compound.